Hey guys, today I'm gonna be unboxing ATEEZ new albums. I'm so excited. Let's do this. So this is actually my very first time buying their albums because I just went to their concert last weekend and I fell in love with them. I never felt this way since BTS. I love BTS, of course I still love them, but they're not really performing as a group right now. So I just wanted to look for somebody else who I can stand. And their song, Eyes on My Teeth, just came across my YouTube. And I started watching their performances and just like, oh my gosh, they are so cool. So I went to their concert. It was incredible. And then since then, I couldn't stop thinking about them. I couldn't stop listening to their songs and stop watching any contents that they have created on YouTube. So now I'm obsessed with them. So now I got albums. Let's find out what's inside. I don't know how to open the thing. Okay. Okay, how am I supposed to open the thing? Alright, let's see. There we go. Okay, you probably want to see it, so I'm gonna just put the camera down like this. There we go. Ooh, okay. Ooh. Wow. Oh, I wasn't expecting this, but let's see. So, I got, oh, let me just put it like this. I'm gonna move this way. So I got 1, 2, 3 albums. They're exactly the same. The reason why I got 3 albums is because there is a chance that I can go to meet and greet event. So I got 3 chances because I got 3 albums. Okay, let's see what's inside. Woo. Okay, and there will be a random photo cards in here too. So let's see who I got. I mean, like, I'm more already age, so I don't care who I get. But let's see. Oh my gosh! No! This is so cute. Ashes Too Late. Oh my gosh, CD and DVD. What I got here? Oh, okay. This has nothing to do with ATEEZ, so bye. Wow, this is so cool. What is that? It's like a huge photo card and everybody's in it. I'm gonna put it in my office. That's so cute. All right. Oh, okay, so that means I don't get any photo cards? I thought there would be a photo cards in here. Oh, this is sad. Well, let's see. Let's open up. Ta-da-da. Or is... Oh! Do you think any photo cards are in here? Okay, let's see. Nope, it's not in the box. Is it in here and it's open? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, it's hard. Whoa. Okay. Okay. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Let's see. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Yosan! Look at him! Oh my gosh. Hello, Yosan. Welcome to my house. Oh, it's so cute. Oops, and I shouldn't be showing list numbers. Alright. Okay, apparently all I have to do is to type in this number to find out if I can get to go to their meet and greet event. Okay, it's too late. Ooh. Wow. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to watch their DVDs. Alright, the first one I got Yo-san. Let's open the second one. Hopefully I can get Sang-kun or Mingi or Honjun. I mean, like, anyone is fine. Because I love everyone. Like, I just can't pick one. This is the second one. Let's see who I got. Ooh, why am I so nervous? Like, my hands are shaking right now. Right, let's see. Moment of truth. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, go! Oh no, the other way around. No, this is right. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. And oh yeah. That's in here. Right. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, Jongho? Oh, Jongho-san? Hello, Jongho! かわいい! So cute. Okay, I got Yo-san. Hello, where are you? Yo-san and Jongho. There you go. All right. So the next one is the last one to open. Let's see. Come here. Kaja. Right. This is the last one. Sang-kun. Oh, I have a Sang-kun. This is the last one. The moment of truth. Oh, I'm so nervous right now. I'm sweating. Okay, you ready? 1, 2. I'm so shaky. 1, 2, 3, go. Soma-san! Yay! Soma-san! Oh my gosh! Oh, Soma-shi. Oh. So I should have got 8 DVDs, but I got these 3. Yay! You guys are gonna be sleeping with me tonight. Ugh, it's so cute. Right, so now I have to find out if I can go get to see meet and greet event. So I'm gonna do that. Wish me luck.